Unit 12. It's holiday time. Listening 12. Read and listen. And listen.
Do you wish you were on a beach where the sand is golden and the water is crystal clear? Do you wish you could explore the wonders of the deep blue sea? Do you dream of camping in the desert under the stars? Imagine a holiday where you could do all of these things and more. Welcome to Sharm el-Sheikh. Sharm el-Sheikh is one of Egypt's biggest and most popular resorts. It lies south of the Sinai Peninsula, between the desert and the Red Sea. The climate is hot and sunny all year round, and there are lots of exciting activities for everyone. The amazing Red Sea. The Red Sea is famous for its sea life and clear, beautiful water. You can snorkel close to the shore in Pardon Reef Bay and see colourful tropical fish and other incredible sea creatures swimming amongst the coral. There are around 1,500 different types of sea life along the coast and over 400 species of coral. For the more adventurous visitors, the Red Sea is perfect for scuba diving. Don't worry if it's your first time. You can take a course at a diving school with trained instructors who will teach you everything you need to know. You can then go on a diving trip where you will discover the amazing sights of the deep sea and may even come across an ancient shipwreck. If you want to see what lies under the surface of the sea, but don't want to go in the water, take an hour-long trip in a glass-bottomed boat instead. See the brightly coloured fish swimming right under your feet. The spectacular Sinai Desert. If you prefer to stay on dry land, the desert offers all kinds of thrilling adventures. If excitement is what you want, try quad biking across the dunes. If you're looking for a quieter kind of adventure, go on an organised group safari where you'll spot rare and beautiful birds and have the truly unforgettable experience of a camel ride. At night, you can camp in the open air, under the starry sky. Imagine watching the sun rise over the desert and you wake up. The treasures of Nama Bay. No visit to Sharm el-Sheikh would be complete without finding some fantastic souvenirs to remember your holiday. Nama Bay is the place to go for shopping. Here you will find whatever you are looking for, from beautiful silver jewellery in the modern shops to traditional handicrafts like carpets and bags in the busy, colourful markets. Nama Bay is also home to some of the region's most luxurious hotels, and you will find restaurants offering some of Egypt's most delicious dishes. So, if you're looking for an experience you'll never forget, come to Sharm el-Sheikh on your next holiday. We are waiting to welcome you.